What is up, guys? Brittany here, back for another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install software update iOS 18.5. So let's get into it. Go ahead and open up your settings, and then you're going to scroll down to General, and you're going to select that. All right, guys, go ahead and select Software Update. And as you can see, it says this update introduces a new Pride Harmony wallpaper for the lock screen and other features, bug fixes, and security updates for your iPhone. So for more information, you can click that blue Apple support link in regards to the security content. Now for in general, select Learn More at the bottom, and it will bring up the About This update. So it says this update also includes the following enhancements and bug fixes: a new Pride Harmony wallpaper. Parents now receive a notification when the screen time passcode is used on a child's device. Buy with iPhone is available when purchasing content within the Apple TV app on a third-party device. Fixes an issue with the Apple Vision Pro app may display a black screen. And then support for carrier provided satellite features is available on iPhone 13. And of course, you have some more Apple support links that you can click for more information. Now back to the update. In order to install, go ahead and select Install Now. And this is going to bring up your passcode. Once you put in your passcode, it is going to download the update. So I have already downloaded it. My phone is set to automatically download. And so now that this process is over, I'm going to click install again, and then it's going to begin to verify the update. Once it verifies it, it's going to shut my screen off, and it's going to begin the reboot process. Okay, guys, so it is now taking us through the process of doing the software update. Once it is finished, I will let you guys know. All right, guys, so once it is finished rebooting and installing, it will bring you to your lock screen that looks just like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Listen.